my dearest beloved carer, the one that I love more than life itself. Loving you has been the single most greatest experience in my life. Each and every day I get to spend with you is a treasure in and of itself.
Nathan, it's hard to believe that 7 years ago today, we were complete strangers, meeting for the first time. Today, you're my best friend, my soulmate, my forever love. You make me laugh every single day, and you make me happier than I ever thought possible. I can finally call you my husband.
You've always given my life meaning and purpose. When I feel weak, you make me feel strong. When I am sad, you make me feel immense happiness. When I am sick, you always take care of me. Slowly over time, loving you has continued to make me grow as a person into the man that I am today.
The past 7 years have been the very best of my life, and I've been so lucky to spend them with you. Together, we've built a life better than I could have ever asked for, and now I can't wait to watch you become a father.
I stopped thinking of a relationship as you and I. It truly became us, for we are one heart, one soul, and one being. Without you, there's nothing, for I would be a shell of a man. As the days go by, my heart beats louder and stronger for your love.
Thank you for picking me. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. It's all I can do to hope to do the same for you, to be the wife and partner that you deserve.
You have laughed at my silly jokes. You have been there to pick me up when I felt I could not go on. But most importantly, you have never stopped loving me for who I am. You inspire me to be better than I was the day before. I could not be happier to become your husband, to love you until my dying breath.
Nathan, I vow to be there for you in sickness and in health, when times are good and when the road feels rocky. I vow to always laugh with you and make sure you know daily how much I love you. The last 7 years have already shown us that committing to love someone has its challenges, but there's no one I'd rather climb the mountains of love and life together with.
You are my sun and stars, my universe, my beginning and my end. I love you and cannot wait to start a family with you. I promise to honor and love you with each breath I take in this world. I love you, Cara Elizabeth, with all my heart and soul.
I vow to be right by your side for all the ups and downs and adventures that life has in store for us. I'll always remember the moment when I realized that you were the one, and it was in that moment that I knew no amount of time on this earth will ever be enough with you. I love you more with each passing day, and I couldn't be more grateful for the love and life that we share.